Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Loom Solar versus Waaree, two leading solar panel manufacturers. We'll delve into their core offerings, technological advancements, and market presence to help you understand which might be the better fit for your solar energy needs. This comparison will cover key aspects like panel efficiency, product variety, and customer support, providing a comprehensive overview of both prominent manufacturers in the solar industry. Loom Solar primarily utilizes advanced mono-PERC, bifacial, and half-cut cell technologies, with some panels achieving over 21% efficiency. Waaree, on the other hand, offers a broader spectrum, including multicrystalline, monocrystalline, mono-PERC, TOPCon, and innovative flexible modules. Their monocrystalline panels can reach up to 22% efficiency, showcasing a diverse technological approach to maximize energy production across various applications. Loom Solar provides a wide range of panels, from small 10-watt units for mobile charging to powerful 730-watt modules, catering primarily to residential and small-scale off-grid solutions. Waaree boasts an extensive portfolio, offering everything from 5-watt small modules to large 550-watt bifacial panels. Their products are suitable for diverse applications, including residential, commercial, industrial, and even unique flexible rooftop installations. Regarding assurance, Loom Solar typically provides a 10-year product warranty and a 25-year performance warranty, ensuring long-term reliability. Waaree generally offers a product warranty ranging from 10 to 12 years, with a performance warranty extending from 25 to 35 years, guaranteeing a certain output level. Both companies emphasize robust customer service and after-sales support, crucial for a seamless solar energy experience over many years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.